Hey, you wouldn't happen to have the time, would you? Yeah, I suppose it is time to get a watch. So you know how watches are expensive? Yeah, well, I'm not a big fan of that. So, I thought that maybe I could just, make one. So that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I'm not really making it, I'm more just putting parts together. Kind of like Lego. So I guess it does count. Anyway, I got the body of it done. So after ordering the parts, all that was left to do was wait. And what better way to pass the time than to go for a little nap? So that's what I did. I went for a nap. And when I woke up, it was here. So all up, all the parts cost about $130. So yeah, not exactly a cheap watch, but oh well, can't back out now. So what I got was a leather strap, a pair of tweezers, some crystals, and of course, the most important part, the movement itself. Fun fact about the movement, it's an automatic, which means I don't really have to wind it. So another fun fact, none of the parts fit into the case that I made. So, I've done a little bit of remodeling, and it should work now. So now that everything fits together properly, all that's left to do is to assemble it. So first thing I did was glue in the display crystal. I then added in the leather straps. I then friction fitted the movement in. I then placed the hands of the watch on. And finally, I placed on the crystal that goes on top. So now that means the watch is done. After a month of waiting, I finally have my watch, which is pretty cool.